On this is me Sadia here, and I'm doing your third week of July reading start from the 15th through the 21st of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. So let's see what is coming up for Libra people for this week time, which has already started. I will be adding charms and I will be pulling out oracle card in this reading, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will add the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for Libras for this week time. Three of Cups, pair up with Knight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Nine of Swords, the Sun. Underneath the deck, you do have Two of Wands. Underneath that, Two of Pentacles. Underneath that, the King of Swords. I do see somebody having some sort of breakup party in the very beginning of the week. It seems like, something has hurt you, or you have hurt someone in your life. You detach yourself from that one thing, one person, one situation that was causing you a lot of pain, stress, and anxiety. You walked away from that situation and you tried to have some fun, ease things up for yourself with your friends and family, and maybe your besties. I do see you having some fun time with them, trying to relax yourself, calm your nerves, and to let that go. But that one thing that you're doing, the celebration, whatever it is that you're trying to get your mind busy with, that's not gonna help you in the later part of the week. I feel like maybe you're having the breakup party or something, but it's not what you want. It's just like maybe your friends wanted to cheer you up. They asked you to let's do some party and have some drinks and just chill and everything. But I don't see it's gonna help you for long, because the connection that you have with the specific someone, it's you can't stay away from this person. It's like you pick a fight, you part ways, but it does hurt you both equally. So I do see that you are going to try on and off the whole week time to hold yourself back, hold your emotions back. Don't let the negativity creeps in your mind around this connection, around the situation. You really don't want to get hurt again. You don't want to think of the person again. But yes, you are still doing that. I don't see you, having that positivity that you're starting. To be very honest, that too is not positivity. It seems like I can pick up that vibe coming from you guys, where you are. Be mindful, the energies could be reversed for some of you as well. But yes, I do see you, if this is your energy, I do see you trying to be happy, but deep down you're not happy doing so. So but yes, I do see you trying to suppress your feelings and emotions. You really don't want to share, or let anyone know that yes, you are still missing the person, you're still stuck in that situation, mentally, physically, and emotionally. You are still invested in the same person. You are going to try your best to come out of it, but it's the more you're going to try, the more it's going to hurt. So I do see that I do see you guys communicating again, especially around the last date of this week, like, which is 21st. 20th or 21st is going to be the time when you're going to start communicating with the same person again. Either one of you is going to make the effort, where the other person is going to be like, having their guards up. And but yes, even if your guards are up, or if their guards are up against you, still you both are going to get happy, because you would know that okay, fine, we can still have a chance to make it work, and we have not lost each other, or all is not lost in this connection. We can still make it work. So I do see some sort of good news message communication that is happening around 20th or 21st of July between the two of you. And I don't think you are going to let these friends know that you talk to them again, because it's like I feel like you and your person, the bond is so strong. No matter what your people are going to tell you, no matter what their people are going to tell them, you still gonna come back together. So only stupid people will get involved in the situation. Like you're. I feel like why I'm saying that, because I feel like eventually you're both gonna talk to each other. Eventually you both are going to get back together. So what's the point behind you involving your friends, they involving their friends, and trying to tell each other, like respective friends of their, like leave this person behind and this and that, and then it's like yeah, I feel like they should not get into this situation. Like they should just stay out of it, because I don't think that it's ever gonna help. You are going to do ultimately what you want to do with them, with your person, and it's like they telling you do this or that, it's never gonna work. You are always going to listen to your inner calling. Whether you keep your guards up against them, whether they keep their guards up against you, eventually you both are going to start talking again, and eventually you're both going to do what you have to do. So the connection is so strong, there's no point for another person to get between the two of you, as a as a person who could try to fix things up, or to tell you to end things up with this person. Eventually you both are going to be together. That's what I'm picking up very strongly here. And I feel like it has been showing up for quite some time already for the for you guys, that um you both know where you both stand for each other. At the same time, you have this childish attitude towards this connection, towards life, because you just can't stop fighting, and you just can't stop coming back together as well. So let's see some oracle. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. You're back together with this person, with whom for which you are having the party of the breakup, the celebration of a breakup. You are coming back with them again as you move towards the end of the week. So it's like that. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. So eventually your love is going to succeed. Every time you pick up a fight with this person, your love is going to conquer the situation, and now you both are going to come back together. So either you both are very childish, or you both take each other for granted, but at the same time there's strong love between the two of you. But again, it's very childish. That's what I'm picking up very strongly here. So but yeah, if you have a friend who is like maybe you are also one of them, and maybe your friend is also like the same sign, but I feel like you really have to stay away from it, getting yourself involved into their fight and all, because it's like you are wasting your time, and getting into their fight, because they are coming back together eventually. So it's like you are just wasting your time and energy trying to fix them, or pulling them apart. So yep, let's see some charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys. Two alphabets we have, B and K. So it could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with, B and K. Then we do have the love between a grandmother and granddaughter is forever. The love between you and this person is forever for sure. And maybe you have strong, prayers and love for maybe, you have prayers of your grandparents with you when it comes to this connection. Nothing in this world can break this connection apart. But yes, I do see you are going to grow together. Like I do see you guys as somebody, maybe you're too young as a couple as well, or if not, then it's just that you both are very light-hearted and lively and bubbly, but childish. So I do see you're gonna change together, you're gonna transform together, you are going to grow together, and as you grow together, you both are going to become the better versions or the best versions of yourself individually, and mutually you're going to grow this connection in a beautiful way. For some of you, this person could be your childhood sweetheart as well. Like If not, then this person is like, you both fight like childs, like, like children, like, you both have that energy around you, around this connection. But yes, it's again, it's nothing, it's something that should be worked, you know, it should be something that that you should like look into from a serious perspective, and try to fix things up. But I don't see that happening at all. So there's no point even saying that, because I feel like, you are going to stay the way you are. But I feel like, either one of you is more childish in this connection. I'm not saying that the other person is not. Both of you are childish, but one person is like maybe stubborn, childish, in terms of the way they deal with this connection and relationship overall. So you will have a very turbulent flight with this person, in terms of like, the flight of your life, the flight of your relationship. It's going to be like, on and off, on and off, and like not in a negative way, on and off, but yeah, pick up, fight, fight again, patch up, fight again, patch up, fight again. That's the energy of this connection. But that's, again, it doesn't, you know it doesn't separate you for longer than maybe a day or two, or a week or two, or something around those lines. But yes, again, try to, I feel like, with the passage of time, as you grow together, everything is going to get back to normal. So yeah, this pretty much is coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.